Hi everybody, I'm Harold Smith. We've lived in this North Toronto neighborhood for over 40 years. Initially when we came here we gardened conventionally with a lawn and regular flowers from nurseries. But that changed, I'd say just over 20 years ago. We found we couldn't grow plants under this tree. We couldn't grow grass under this tree. We started putting in native plants, and we found that they did much better. We put in quite a variety, and over the years the mulch layer has been built up. We let the leaves decompose on the ground, and we have quite a variety of plants from Solomon seal, false Solomon seal, woodland strawberry, enchanter's nightshade. We're growing some wild ginger, bush honeysuckle, and here's some woodland sunflower. So quite a variety of plants are growing here successfully where grass would not grow. There's some Pennsylvania sedge, some plantain sedge, lady fern, some wild geranium, foam flower. This whole strip is foam flower. There's some twin leaf. We've got purple flowering raspberry and Canada anemone. And over here there are a variety of cone flowers, common milkweed, some swamp milkweed. The purple flowered plant is New York ironweed. There are also some coreopsis plants which haven't come into bloom yet. There's a serviceberry. We've also got, I think it's stiff goldenrod or Ohio goldenrod, I can't remember which, but it's doing quite well. We put it in last year. But as that tree has grown, that linden tree has grown, it's reduced the amount of sunlight that we have available. And that's why a lot of the plants are leaning towards the sun, and they're sort of moving around a bit.